Join me as I take on the challenge of strengthening my bones using just simple tricks at home. Let's see how much of a difference I can make. As we age, our bones naturally start to lose density, which can lead to a range of health issues, from osteoporosis to fractures. But the good news is that there are many simple and effective ways to strengthen your bones from the comfort of your own home. By making a few small changes to your daily routine, you can significantly improve your bone health. Taking care of your bones is essential for your overall well-being, and it's never too late to start. Bones are living tissues that are constantly being broken down and rebuilt, and the foods you eat play a critical role in this process. A diet rich in calcium and vitamin D is essential for maintaining strong bones. As we explore the simple tricks to strengthen your bones, you'll see how easy it is to incorporate these habits into your daily life. Many of us lead busy lives, and it's easy to get caught up in a sedentary lifestyle. But a lack of physical activity can have a significant impact on bone health. Sitting for long periods of time can lead to weak and brittle bones. What's more, as we age, our bodies naturally start to lose muscle mass and bone density, which can increase the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. This is a major concern, especially for older adults, as it can lead to a loss of independence and a lower quality of life. A sedentary lifestyle is just one of the many challenges we face in maintaining strong bones. Another significant challenge is getting the right nutrients. Our diets often lack the essential vitamins and minerals needed for bone health. For example, many people don't get enough calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for building and maintaining strong bones. Without these nutrients, our bones can become weak and brittle. Additionally, some medical conditions, such as celiac disease or Crohn's disease, can affect the body's ability to absorb nutrients, leading to weaker bones. Lifestyle factors, such as smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, can also negatively impact bone health. These habits can reduce bone density and increase the risk of fractures. So, what can we do to strengthen our bones? One of the most effective ways is through dietary changes. Increasing your intake of calcium-rich foods, such as dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods, can help build stronger bones. Exercise is also crucial for bone health. Weight-bearing exercises, like walking, running, and dancing, can help stimulate bone growth and increase density. You don't need to become a marathon runner, though. Even a short walk each day can make a big difference. Simple exercises like squats, lunges, and leg raises can be done at home and are great for strengthening bones. Incorporating activities that challenge your balance and coordination, such as Tai Chi or yoga, can also help prevent falls and fractures. Another simple trick is to get some morning sunlight. Vitamin D, which is essential for bone health, is produced in the skin when it's exposed to sunlight. So, take a short walk outside in the morning, or open your curtains to let the sunlight in. Making these small changes to your daily routine can have a significant impact on your bone health. One particularly effective exercise for strengthening bones is the heel drop. This simple exercise can be done at home and requires no special equipment. Food-wise, one surprising bone-boosting superfood is sardines. These tiny fish are packed with calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, making them a perfect snack for strong bones. Try adding sardines to your salads or eating them straight from the can. You can also try incorporating other bone-boosting foods, such as spinach, kale, and fortified cereals, into your diet. In conclusion, taking care of your bones is easier than you think. By making a few simple changes to your diet and exercise routine, you can significantly improve your bone health. So, start incorporating these simple tricks into your daily life and take proactive steps towards stronger bones. Don't forget, every small step counts, and it's never too late to start. I'd love to hear about your own experiences with bone health, so leave a comment below and let me know what works for you. Check out my next video on fitness tips to help you stay active and healthy. Thanks for watching.